go find all the DIs.
Okay.
And after this, we find the lion.
No, I don't want to find any lion today. And I really don't want one to find us.
Is there lions in here?
I hope not.
Wanna go back to the elephant?
Well, I think we're coming up to the lake overlook now.
We're going up to the lake?
I think so. You turn to your right here. What?
2 more paths.
Yeah.
And what path should we take?
I think we can go over here and take a look.
But I think this one. See?
It stops. See?
Come on.
Hold on, I want to look. Oh, this is not the lake overlook. More tracks.
Oh, let's see. Which one are these?
Oh. This? Do you recognize this from before?
Yeah.
What is that one?
I don't know.
That is
Yeah.
a Columbia that's right, that is a Columbia black-tailed deer. And
And
what
what's
about that one? What do you think that is?
I don't know.
It's a raccoon.
Let's go find a raccoon.
All right, you lead the way.
Dad,
Yes, my dear.
I want you to find a raccoon for me.
Well, we'll see what we can do.
If you see a raccoon, then tell me.
Okay.
And you look, sand.
Yeah.
Let's go see that.
Well, let's see where the trail takes us. Oh, wait, a sign.
Sign?
Let's look at the sign. What does that say? What's Tradition Lake up to? Seen through the trees, the lake at first may seem quiet and unchanging.
Quiet and tame then?
And unchanging.
Come on, let's go see.
But the water is never the same from day to day. Okay, let's go see.
I wanted to go see, but I didn't know what happened. I saw that bang, bam, bam, bear again.
Bam, 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 bear again?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say,
Birdie.
I hope we don't see any bears.
I
Oh,
saw
birdie.
one.
Birdie, okay. That makes more sense. I think your camera is running out of batteries.
I just want to watch.
Okay, hang on.